Now, itong next gadget na hawak ko is a pocket Wi-Fi. And this pocket Wi-Fi can travel me up to 170 plus countries worldwide. And sobrang dali niyang gamitin. Plus, one good thing na gusto ko sa kanya is multiple user ang kaya niya. It's definitely perfect for travel junkies. In this video, share ko sa inyo experience ko while I'm traveling in Hong Kong using the GO Pokefi. Tara, pag-usapan natin. Now, one of the good things na gusto ko sa isang pocket Wi-Fi is that hindi mabilis mag-drain ang battery ng iyong smartphone. Unlike plugging a SIM sa loob ng smartphone, bibili ang hassle. Pupunta ka sa airport, bibili ka ng SIM card, tatanggalin mo pa yung SIM tray, kakabit mo pa yung SIM card, magsi-SIM card registration ka pa, and magta-top up ka pa ng data. It takes roughly mga 30 minutes away from you, wasting it just to get some data. Not dito sa GO Pokefi. What I did dito is binili ko dito sa Pilipinas, and it's available sa mga link that I'll provide on the description box below, by the way, and meron din pala siya sa Travel Club. Na ginawa ko is nag-top up ako ng 18 gigs na data, just perfect enough para sa 5 user for 5 days in Hong Kong. Sinabi ko sa kanila, wag sila mag-streaming o mag-gaming. Sa hotel na sila mag-gaming. Now, for me, 18 gigs is just simply enough for 5 person traveling on 5 days sa Hong Kong. Mostly ginagamit namin Google Maps, mag-chat sa Facebook Messenger, Viber, and other chat apps, and just sometimes gusto mo manood sa YouTube. Pwede dito. Walang problema. Investing dito sa kanya, nung speed test ako, okay naman kayo ng speed. I think the most na nakuha ko, pinakamabilis is around mga 150, and pinakamababa nakuha ko is around mga nasa 60 to 70 Mbps, which is for me, pretty solid na. For me, honestly, hindi mo naman kailangan sobrang bilis kasi hindi ka naman mag-streaming or hindi ka naman mag-download ng mga heavy files, okay na ang speed na nakukuha ko dito. Na mag-operate neto is definitely easy. Pinaka-important is you get the GO Pokefi na app, which is this one. Makikita mo to sa Google Play Store and sa Apple App Store. Mada-download mo lang siya. Now, once connected sa inyong smartphone, doon mo makita lahat ng stats. Battery, signal, kung ilan pa nakitira siya ng data, lahat makita mo siya real time. Now, kung magta-top up ka naman, madali lang din. Punta ka lang sa website nito, mypokefi.com, sign in, and you'll be able to navigate dito, bibili ka ng mga package na sasakto sa inyo. It's so easy. Tanggap naman ng mga major credit cards, so wala kang magiging problema sa payment. Now, the good thing dito sa kanya, nung dumating ako, nag-land ako sa Hong Kong, automatically may signal na siya. Once na nag-hit ng green ang kanyang signal dito, meron ka ng data na makukuha dito. And instantly, pumasok lahat ng messages ko sa Messenger, sa Viber, and so kung anong mga apps na ginagamit ko, lahat ng notify. Kasi I've been flying for around mga 2 hours from Manila to Hong Kong. And syempre, naiipon ng mga messages kasi offline ako for 2 hours. And what's nice naman dito is mabilis naman sumagap ng signal. And while I'm traveling in Hong Kong, ang daming kong places pinuntahan together with my family, this one, kayang-kaya na mag-last ng 1 whole day without any problem. Nung nag-start kami the day at 8 o'clock, lumabas na kami, and umuwi kami ng mga 9 in the evening with 5% using this pocket Wi-Fi. Hulain nyo ilang percent na battery pa naiwan. 32% pa na battery ang naiiwan dito. So, solid na solid siya. One thing na gusto ko rin sa kanya is that pwede mo rin siyang gamitin while plugging inside the power bank. So, definitely it's going to be good. Now, hindi lang naman smartphone kaya na supply ng data. Pwede naman siya mag-connect ng mga iPad, laptops, or even Android TV. If you have bought yung mga stick na Android TV together with you to watch on the hotel, kayang-kaya naman na i-supply ng data. So, connecting to this one is definitely easy and hassle-free. Now, probably, the next question is tatanungin sa akin kung ilan device ang pwede mag-connect dito sa GO Pokefi. And sinabi sa manual, it can connect up to 8 devices at a single time. So, ako, wala namang problema kasi 5 lang naman kami nag-travel. So, 5 lang na-connect dito. Except na kung meron siguro may extra devices ka, which I don't think it's necessary for traveling. 2-3 devices mo all at the same time. But, syempre, of course, there are times na kailangan mo mag-access na yung laptop or your tablet, pwede mo rin connect dito up to 8 devices all at the same time. Ang pinaka-best feature talaga na gusto ko dito sa kanya talaga yung mga flat rates na nakuha ko dito, sa mga promos na nakuha ko dito is definitely very budget friendly para sa mga travelers like me. And another thing is that this helps me save a lot of battery sa aking smartphone. Without using mobile data, halos whole day kaya naman itagal na aking mga smartphones. And best of all, marami pa kami gumagamit. So if you're a frequent traveler, especially kung going out together with the whole family, I would highly recommend you to invest on a GO Pokefi. Be it traveling sa east or sa west, talagang kayang-kaya nito kasi it supports up to 170 plus countries worldwide. So ikaw travel junkie, convinced ka na? Check the GO Pokefi on the link that I'll be providing on the description box below. And if you find this video helpful, do share it to your friends. And a quick sub to this channel is definitely awesome. I'll see you in my next video. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.